Here are the two schools for tonight's show. Kingston College from Kingston up against Old Harbour High from St. Catherine. This is the 51st anniversary season of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz. Kingston College is represented by Shane Bennett, Ronaldinho Bennett, Tradicio Edwards, and Patrick Gabidon. Old Harbour High is represented by Sanjay Ramharak, Rivaldo Reed, Daniel Newell, and Maurice Miller. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the first match in the quarterfinals of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2020. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. This is the first match in our doubleheader, as the second quarterfinal comes up right after this. We'd like to welcome back our viewers, as we took a break in keeping with the protocols and public health guidelines as a result of COVID-19. Although we have returned, there is a new normal. We have a new set for our teams. But in keeping with social distancing guidelines, we have no studio audience. But of course, everyone can view the remaining matches on Television Jamaica. So it all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? Well, this is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss, Old Harbour High won, and they decided to go first. And so we begin with Old Harbour High. Now the section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock, please. Old Harbour, we begin with English language. What does the prefix D mean as used in the word degrade?
Away from, away.
Away.
Incorrect. Reverse or undo. English language for Kingston College. What does the prefix dis mean as used in the word disconnect?
Apart.
Correct. Old Harbour, International Affairs. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Tedros Adhanom.
That's incomplete. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus. International Affairs for Kingston College. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
William Barr.
Incorrect. Robert Redfield. General knowledge for Old Harbour. In Greek mythology, who was the goddess of fertility, love, and beauty?
Aphrodite.
Correct. General knowledge for Casey. In Greek mythology, who was the daughter of Zeus and Leto and twin sister of Apollo?
Artemis.
Correct. Music, Old Harbour. Listen to the clip. Identify the singer, please.
Got something to hide. I think she wants
To experience.
Frankie
Frankie Paul.
Incorrect. Barrington Levy. Music for Kingston College. Listen to this clip. Identify the singer.
Why you cause so much despair? Are you just not?
Nadine Sutherland.
Yeah, go on with that.
Nadine Sutherland.
Correct. In geography for Old Harbour, what is the name for winds that blow throughout the year from one latitude to another in response to latitudinal differences in air pressure?
Trade winds.
Incorrect. Planetary or prevailing winds. Geography for KC. What is the name of the type of winds that develop between 40 degrees and 65 degrees south latitudes, known as the roaring 40s, furious 50s, and shrieking 60s?
What's that?
Trade winds.
Incorrect. Westerlies. Theatre and cinema. Old Harbour. Look at the monitor. Identify this famous actor.
Alan Arkin.
Incorrect. Alec Guinness. Theatre and cinema for KC. Look at the monitor. Identify this famous actor.
Bert Lancaster, something like that.
Yeah,
Bert Lancaster.
Bert Lancaster.
That's correct. Old Harbour, chemistry. What is the chemical formula for chromium 6-phosphate?
Chromium 6-phosphate.
CrPO4 bracket 2. Yeah. CrPO4 bracket 2.
That's correct. Chemistry for Casey. What is the chemical formula for magnesium periodate?
MgIO4 bracket 2.
Correct. Sports for Old Harbour. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Relax. Name.
Again.
Come on, go on to the answer.
Sebastian Vettel.
Incorrect. Charles Leclerc. Sports for Casey. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Sure.
Justine Holiday.
Justine Holiday.
Incorrect. Mallory Pugh. Mathematics for Old Harbour. If a hemisphere has a curved surface area of 175 centimeters squared, estimate its radius to the nearest whole number.
So, 250.
10 seconds. Come on.
Right, 7 centimeters.
7 centimeters.
Incorrect. 5 centimeters. Mathematics for KC. If volume of sphere is 113 meters cubed, estimate its radius to the nearest whole number.
Like 6 meters.
6 meters.
6 meters.
Incorrect. 3 meters. And that's the bell. That's the end of our opening challenge, and the scores are Kingston College on 5, Old Harbour High on 2. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 51 returns right after these messages.